Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today I've not long got out of bed. You know what? I look a freaking state. I don't even have a bra on, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna go and get dressed. At least put a bra on, okay? If you are new here to my channel, I highly recommend that you subscribe. Do that while I go and get a bra on. And I'll be back. Ah, I'm back. Yeah. I have been gone probably a good half an hour. Honestly. So I walked into the bedroom, and as I walked towards the bedroom, I noticed the dryer had clothes on it, and I was like, I need to take those clothes off the dryer. Started taking clothes off the dryer. Empty dryer. There's clothes in the washing machine. Might as well pile the clothes that are in the washing machine onto the dryer. And now I've got an empty washing machine, which is very rare. So after I've done this, I'm going to go and fill my washing machine back up with clothes. Obviously, with clothes. Yeah, I don't know. Do you ever do that? You just get waylaid. I am that person who, in the middle of the film, I'm like, I need to go to the toilet. I'll go to the toilet. 20 minutes later, my other half is like, are you coming back? What are you doing? And then I'll be like, oh my gosh, yeah, I started cleaning the bathroom. Because, why not? Ah, I thought I had gloopiness in the corner. It feels gloopy. I've got the P. Louise gloss on. Look. Can you focus on my lips, please? Don't be so disrespectful. There you go, look. Doesn't I look luscious? Now I'm out of focus. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Lovely. So anyway, today we are going to be doing a little unboxing. I've got a little parcel. I purchased this from a Facebook ad. And we all know how disastrous the purchases from Facebook have been. I've literally, I don't think I've had a successful purchase really from Facebook. I don't often purchase from Facebook because most of the time it's shit, basically. This was from, bless you, I think it was called Look Good Feel Better. I think it was, and it cost me £15.50. The that was including postage and packing. So let's open this little package, shall we, and see what we got inside. So it's a little like a beauty package, and I didn't take any notice of what you actually got. There was one item that I was really excited for, and that was what I wanted to try. So here it is. You can see it before me. And this little beauty is what I wanted to try. So on its own, the glaze is £16. So this, on its own, 190. Yep. This on its own, £16. So this whole bag costs less. I paid less for the entire bag, including postage packing, than what I would have paid for just this by itself. This is the Glaze Clear Conditioning Gloss. Colour Boost, Mirror Glaze Shine. Extraordinary softness, no damage, no mix, no mess, semi-permanent, and lasts up to 10 washes. Okay, so it's a transparent. It's a transparent conditioning gloss designed to boost the vibrancy and shine of all hair colours and tones. Natural vibrant colour boost, 95% agree. Hair colour looks more vibrant. It has mirror glaze shine, conditions and cares, no damage, no mix, and no mess. I am very excited to try that. When I do, I will show you. It's not hair washing day quite yet. I washed my hair 2 days ago, so we will be washing hair at some point. Do not panic. Okay, so what else have I got in this little bag of goodies? Eye Plump. This is an eye cream by B. It's got the gold writing on different colours, and it catches the sun. You're like, I can't see that very well. Okay, anyway, rich overnight eye treatment with, how do you say that? Baculocoal, hyaluronic acid and broccoli seed oil to plump, firm and hydrate the delicate eye area. Okay, let's have a look. I do need a new eye cream. It's 100% vegan. 100% vegan active ingredients that impact skin, not the planet. Oh, we love that. We love that. Right. So it's 15 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. And it's just a little white cream. I've already put... It smells very natural. You know what that smells like? Absolutely nothing, but it does kind of like not a wheat germ, but you know, that kind of natural plant powered natural skincare. Yeah, like it's got evening primrose, it's got square line, it's got kind of that, like, not wheat germ, but you know, that kind of thing. So very excited. Okay, some lashes, some little nice, can you focus on the lashes? There you go, some nice little fluffy looking lashes. They're like the cat eye. They've got a lot more fluff on the outside. These are from Primer Demi Lash. Why not check out our full range at primerlash_lashes. That's on Instagram. Half the lashes, double the flutter. I'm looking forward to trying them. A lipstick from Revolution, and this is called Chauffeur. It looks like a nude. I'm not sure if every bag had the same colours. Look at the lips. Can you see that? I'm not sure if every bag had the same colours. Oh, look at that. Ready? Smooth. Oh, you're out of focus, honestly. There you go. Wow. Love that. So it looks like a nude. Oh my god, look. Let's wait for it to focus. Can you see the lips? Can you see the lips on the actual lipstick? Oh, I don't want to swatch it. Right, let's swatch it. Just gentle. It's very creamy. Can you see that? It's like a mauvey colour. I thought it was going to come out more brown. That looks more of a brown, doesn't it? But it's more of a deep rose, mauvey rose, rosy dusky. You know, when you're just like, I don't know what colour it is. It's not brown. It's not the colour that I thought it was going to be anyway. Okay, next item. Oh, I need new hand cream. This is La Mini Macaroon. Oh my cherie. Moisturising hand and nail cream. I do need some hand cream, so let's get this beauty. Oh, okay. We are double protected there. Love that. Okay. Oh, I didn't put the thing back on. That's way too much, but hey, it doesn't matter. Oh, it's got a slight scent, nothing too overpowering. I wish that hand cream came with built-in SPF in it. Why does that not have that? Why is that not a thing? Why is that not a thing? Because I would like some SPF in my hand cream. You know, like hands are one of the first things that start to go a bit wrinkly because it's always out in the sun. And you're always washing your hands. Always washing your hands. And then when you put hand lotion on, I would like it to be SPF. Because, yeah. That's made my hands smell nice, but not too strong. Yeah. Deliciously juicy cherry scented hand cream, sweet, vibrant and joyful. 100% vegan. I'm not smelling cherry though. Is that weird? I'm not smelling cherry. Maybe slightly, but it's because it's not an overpowering smell. Okay, and the lid flew off. The last item is hydrating facial glow. This is rose infused. This is rose infused with rose water, illuminating facial tan mist. Looks like that. It did have a lid on it, but it's just come flying off. Okay, so this is a tan mist. It doesn't say how deep the tan is. Use illuminating rose water facial tan mist daily to build or maintain your existing self tan. Ensure skin is freshly cleansed and dry. Spray face and décolletage evenly, keeping nozzle at least 15 centimeters away from skin. Allow a few minutes to dry before applying your makeup or skincare. It doesn't tell you, it just says build a natural glow every day. Okay, so this is 100% natural, vegan friendly, sustainably sourced. Okay, love that. I'm very excited to try all those items. I will definitely show you the glaze. And I will insert as well how much each of the item retails for, and obviously you will now see how much money you would save buying this little goodie bag. I mean, it's a good price goodie bag, no denying that. And even if I just use the glaze, I've made my money's worth. So loving that. If you've picked up this bag, then let me know, do you get the same colour lipstick in all of them? Did you get chauffeur? And did you get the same clear glaze as well? That's all from me for today. I will see you all next time. Bye. Back again. I didn't read the little card that came with that baggie of goodies. Look good, feel better. Okay. Look Good, Feel Better is a cancer support charity aimed at boosting the physical and emotional well-being of people living with cancer. That is amazing. We understand how emotionally challenging living with cancer can be. This is why we run well-being workshops and classes virtually and at hospitals and cancer care centres across the UK. Led by beauty and health experts, expert volunteers to help people look good, feel better and more like themselves again. We help with skin changes, makeup techniques, hair loss and scalp care, wigs and headwear, eyebrows and eyelash loss, nail issues, body positivity, gentle exercise, mindfulness, anxiety, loneliness, meeting others in a similar situation and support for young adults and men. Thank you for purchasing a Look Good, Feel Better goodie bag and showing your support for people living with cancer. The contents inside your bag have been kindly donated by our corporate and brand partners for this purpose of raising funds for the charity. Oh, I love that. I love that. Colours and products may vary. Please always read the label on individual products before use and seek the advice of professionals should you be unsure about the product. Okay, so that makes sense. I am extremely happy. More happy with that bag even after reading that. I am absolutely ecstatic. So yes, isn't that nice? I don't know why I didn't read that little card before. So head over to Look Good and Feel Better UK to find out more and to grab yourself one of these goodie bags. Anyway, I'm gonna go edit this and get it out to you. Bye bye.